What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the LR. Today I'm going to react CHUANG Asia. Let's get started. Oh, look at him. He looks like a doll. I love the makeup. Oh my god. He's such a baby face. How old is he? So cute. Come on. Okay, the stage presence already feels electric. Let's continue. Oh. Ooh, their energy is off the chart. Live. Here we are. Oh, making the body. I love that part. I wish I can dance. Oh, that part really give me something special. It's really hitting different, guys. He looks nervous. You better see. Guys, oh, his name is THI-O, right? Please tell me how to pronounce his name, because this boy really can sing. I love his high notes. Wow, where is he come from? Bang bang. Oh. Yes. Yes. Look at him, so cute. Oh, that wing. See, he looks a little bit nervous. Love that hair. Oh. Wow. This was energy pack from the start to end. Love. Oh my god. This performance makes me 10 years younger. Yes, this is the end of my reaction. Bye bye.